The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Our tempting East meets West crab stuffed mushrooms get their flavorful crunch from the popular Asian panko bread crumbs. It's a dish worthy of Confucius himself. Mushrooms. Large fresh mushrooms, 1 pound, cooking and filling. Butter divided, 4 tablespoons, plus 2 tablespoons panko bread crumbs, 1/4 cup. Shredded fresh, canned, or imitation crab meat, 1/2 cup. Seasonings. Onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, 1/8 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently clean mushrooms by wiping them with a damp paper towel. Remove stems from 3/4 pound of the firmest mushrooms, set aside caps. Finely chop mushroom stems and remaining 1/4 pound whole mushrooms. Cooking steps. Step 3. In a large skillet, melt 3 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Add chopped mushrooms and cook 4 to 5 minutes or until tender. Step 4. Remove from heat and add 1/4 cup panko breadcrumbs, the shredded crab, onion powder, salt, and pepper, mix well. Step 5. Using a teaspoon, stuff mushroom caps with stuffing mixture. Place on an ungreased rimmed baking sheet. Step 6. In a small bowl, combine remaining 2 tablespoons panko breadcrumbs and 1 tablespoon melted butter, sprinkle evenly over tops of mushroom caps and bake 15 to 18 minutes, or until heated through.